Hello, my name is Jeremy Scream and I'm an Iron Speed MVP. In this video, we're going to be covering the topic of how to initialize a field value with a calculated value. To demonstrate this concept, I've downloaded the Order Management System demo application from the Iron Speed website. To get started, we're going to build a new page under the Orders folder using the right-click New Page from Template. And from in the new page wizard, we're going to select the orders folder and we're going to build an add record data entry form. Clicking next. Should be nothing we need to change. We're just adding a new page from a template to our application. Click finish and we'll let Iron Speed Designer go ahead and build that page. Once the page is built, we can select it and then focus on what we need to do in order to initialize a field with a calculated value. So to set things up, we're going to select the order date field and we're going to initialize when adding a record, and we're going to set that equal to today. Now the field we're going to initialize with a calculated value is the ship date field, and we're going to initialize that to 7 days beyond the order date. So let's select the ship date field, back over to our property sheet, initialize when adding record, click the ellipsis. The first thing we need to do is grab the value of what's in the order date field, and to do that we can use parse date of the UI controls order date.text field. From there we can use a standard .NET function, add days, and pass it the integer 7 to add 7 days to the order date field. Now this should go ahead and build that. This should, when the add orders form appears, the order date should be defaulted to the current date. The ship date should be defaulted to that date plus 7 days. So let's go ahead and live preview that and see what happens. Here we have our add orders 1 page in live preview. Our order date did in fact default to today's date, and our ship date did calculate off of that ship date and add 7 days. The nice thing is, if we change our order date to say July 1st, notice how our ship date recalculates to 7 days beyond that. All that was done with 2 little simple functions within the initialize when adding a record from the property sheet of each of those fields. And that's how simple it is to initialize a field with a calculated value. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to initialize a field with a calculated value. For more information, visit ironspeed.com. There you will find videos, sample applications, user forums, documentation, and much more. Thanks for watching and happy coding.